Today in the kitchen, I'm cooking an Indian-inspired one-pan chicken and rice. Right, let's get everything prepped first. First up, grab a couple of cloves of garlic, finely chop it and then set it aside. Next, grab an onion and chop it into small pieces. This helps it cook evenly. Next, we're going to make our chicken stock. Add in a chicken oxo stock cube with 500 ml of warm water. Give that a stir. Right, let's get the pan on. Put it on a medium heat, throw in some oil and let it get up to temperature. Once the pan's up to temperature, let's throw in the onions. We want to cook the onions for around 5 minutes to soften them up. Once the onions soften, throw in the garlic. This only needs about 30 seconds. As soon as you smell it, you're good to go. Now for the spices. Dip them all in and keep stirring for about 30 seconds. You just want them warm through and smelling great. Keep them moving so they don't stick to the pan and burn. Next, throw in the rice. Give it a proper stir so every grain gets coated. This bit's worth taking your time on. Pour in your tomatoes and chicken stock. Give that a stir just to bring it all together. Grab your frozen chicken and drop it straight into the pan. No defrosting, just nestle it down into the rice. Once it starts gently bubbling, throw in a couple of bay leaves, put the lid on and turn the heat right down to low. From here, it pretty much looks after itself. After it's been simmering for around 15 minutes, lift the lid, turn the chicken, and put the lid back on and leave it for around another 15 minutes. After it's been simmering for around 30 minutes, the rice should be fluffy, the liquid absorbed, and the chicken cooked through. Turn the heat off and let it sit for 5 minutes. Sounds boring, but it really does make a difference. Just a few more steps. Before we serve it, we want to fish out the bay leaves, take out your chicken. Now you can either chop your chicken or it should be easily shreddable. And that's it. One pan, proper comfort food, barely any effort. My daughter loves this dish in a wrap. My wife loves it in a bowl with some chips. Me, I have all three. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that one. If you did, do me a favour, hit the like button. If you'd like to see more of this content in the future, why not subscribe? And I hope you get to cook something this week that makes you smile.